Hello friends, you are watching Urdu Info TV. How are you all? You are welcome again. Today I will show you how to download and install Inpage 2015. But first of all, my request is only to you, if you have not subscribed my channel, then friends, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So friends, let's move to our today's video. First of all, you have to download Inpage 2015 from the link. I have already dropped the link in the description box. Now friends, follow my steps carefully.